In this video, I will show you how to go live on Twitch on PC. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to twitch.tv and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for absolutely free on Twitch. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto your profile picture to bring up this menu, and then come down and click onto create a dashboard. Here we are on the create a dashboard, and from here the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto settings. Once you've done that, this is going to expand and you want to go ahead and click on stream. And the first thing you're going to want to do once you clicked on stream is come up to the top and copy your primary stream key. So all you need to do is come to the right hand side, click the purple copy button, and that's going to copy your stream key. Now once you've got that, what you need to do is come back to the menu on the left hand side and click onto stream manager. This way you can come to activate and set up your stream, so you can invite guests to your stream, and of course you've got your chat here and you're pretty much good to go. Now the last thing you need is a streaming software, so there's quite a few free ones out there like OBS and Streamlabs. So for example, if you're using OBS, then if we open this up, what you need to do is actually connect your streaming software to Twitch. If you're using, for example, OBS, what you would do is generally it's going to be in the settings, so you would click onto file, come and click on settings to bring up the settings window, and in here you're generally going to find a streaming option, so you can see that's here on the left hand side. Give that a click. At the top you want to go ahead and select Twitch. Then what you can do is click onto use stream key and enter your stream key, which you copy from Twitch into here. Once you've done that, come down, click apply and OK. And what that's going to do is have everything ready to go. And then all you need to do once you're ready is click the start streaming button, and that's going to go ahead and start your stream and enable you to go live on Twitch. So that's how to go live on Twitch on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.